Welcome back, everyone. So you see I have in my hand Young Nails Protein Bond, and I'm going to be using this right away on this client's nails. We're doing a new set of nails today. So I already removed the shine off her nails, removed the cuticle, took some nail prep and sprayed them to remove the dust and oils, and then I applied the protein bond. And now you see me with pink base, and that's my fusion line, and this is the best line in my eyes. I love the fusion line. I have the best results with this. I've used many different professional brands, and this one is definitely my favorite. So I'm applying the base thinly to her nails, and then we'll be curing that for 60 seconds. So the next product I'll be using is Fusion's 2.5 Builder, my favorite builder gel, and I'm going to be doing the après dupe technique again. I love this technique. It's been going really well, and putting that 2.5 builder under it just gives it so much strength. So I'm just taking my cleanup brush and removing any extra that seeped out, and I will go around the cuticles if need be, if any came out of the sidewalls and that. So in this video, I worked with a long coffin-shaped Makartt tips, but I have a link, you guys, for the short oval, short square, and I think it was short coffin-shaped tips from Makartt. I found a place to purchase them, so I'll have that link for those down in the description. If you guys want to buy the shorter ones, I really want to get some shorter ones because I am going to be shortening these, but this is all I had right now. They hadn't come yet, so they worked, but it takes a lot less time when you have a shorter tip to use. So I'll finish up this hand with the tips, and then of course I'm going to be cutting the tips down with my tip cutter, and I will be filing them with my file, and of course buffing them as well, using my fine ceramic bit around the cuticles just to smooth out that tip and that transition to the cuticle. So I will just let you watch me do all that, and I'll see you back when I'm ready to do the color. So my client chose her colors, and these are the colors we'll be using: a pretty magenta and a really nice deep gray color. So I'm just taking some isopropyl alcohol, of course, to remove the dust off her nails after filing. And we're just gonna pick, she decided she wanted some foil on one of the gray nails, so we're just going through to find the perfect one to apply. And I'll be using my Makartt Foil Gel as well. You guys can see that video. It was my previous one in the card in the top right hand corner on the Makartt Foil Gel and what my thoughts were on it. So now I'm just applying that magenta color, and I'll be putting that on 3 of the nails. So now that those are cured, I'm going to apply that deeper gray color, and that's going to be done on 2 of the nails. So before I do the other gray nail, she decided she wanted some glitter on this one, and we're using Light Elegance Chalk Pop, and I figured you guys would like to see it in the container. It's so pretty. So I'm going to be applying a thin layer over that gray nail and curing it, and then I'll do that next gray one once I get that done. So once that nail is cured, I'm taking my Makartt Foil Gel and applying it to that nail, and I'll cure for 60 seconds. And I can put that link down in the description for the Makartt Foil Gel as well, so you can find that. And this link is different than the Amazon one. It's a little bit cheaper off this link, so make sure you check it out if you want to purchase it and save a little bit. Okay, so now her nails are ready to top coat. So I'm using my Fusion Extreme Shine. It's a really nice top coat. I can add a little bit extra to the nails if I need to fill them in with this top coat. I should let you guys know too that this top coat is excellent to use on hairdressers. It does not stain at all from their hair dyes. I use it on one of my hairdressers quite often and she loves it. If you're looking for a really good professional top coat that doesn't stain, this one is very, very good. So anyways, I'm going to just top coat all the nails. Then once they're done, of course, I'll be curing them for 60 seconds. So I really did like the colors my client picked, and I loved the nail with the transfer foil and the glitter. Just really, really pretty nails. And I will have those Makartt tips down in the description where you can buy them. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.